The follow set says, what is first of yes? The first of yes says, if it is start production, you have to add dollar symbol to that. Is it right? What is our first rule says? S is a start production. Then I have to add dollar symbol to our follow set of yes. After that, you have to look after arrow mark from this side. Do you have any yes? Any yes?
No, ma'am.
Capital? No. Then anything to be added there? No, right? Then you can end with follow set of yes. Let me come to what is follow set of A. Check in the box. What is in follow set of A? A is there? Yes. A is there. What is there in front of A? B is there.
Non-terminal B, ma'am.
Yeah, you have to add first set of B except epsilon. You should be add this rule. What the rule says? If you are follow non-terminal of B, you have to add first set of B. First set of B excluding minus. You have to subtract minus. The remaining thing should be added for follow set of A. What is first set of B? What is first
B
set of
and
B?
epsilon, ma'am.
Can I write epsilon? No.
No, ma'am.
Don't write epsilon in the follow set. Because of epsilon, if it is epsilon in the first set, then you have to visit the next symbol. What is the next symbol?
B, ma'am.
Because of that, I have to add B also. See, the rule says, the second rules of follow set of says, if you have visit follow set of A or find outing, then if you get non-terminal, you have to take first set of all the terminal symbol of first of beta, excluding minus. If you have epsilon, then you have to check for the next symbol. The next symbol is B. Okay. If it is B is not there, what is your answer? The next symbol B is not present. What is there in front of B?
You have to
Follow
go.
of set product.
Yes, fall of yes, you have to look at it. For this problem, not required fall of yes, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. This is for your B. Okay, then can I end now? Fall of A. Do you have any other A here? This A. See, in all remaining production, capital A is not there, then I can end with my follow set of A. Then what about follow set of B? Follow set of B. Can you check now? What is follow set of B? Small.
Small B, ma'am.
Okay. Is there any other symbol or only one B? Can I end this one? This is only follow set of S, capital A, capital B. Any doubt? Can I move on to next problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the next one. So you already written, no need to copy, just go to that problem and do it. For this problem, you already remove left factoring. The resultant grammar are S derives I E T S S dash A S dash derives epsilon E S E derives B. Okay, you compute already first, right? You know first set? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is the first set? You written in the classwork, can you tell me what is the first set of S? First set of S dash.
I, comma, A.
First set of E. I, comma, A.
A.
S dash. Epsilon, comma, E. E is B. Any doubt in these steps? Let me go for follow. Follow of yes. What is the first rule says follow of yes?
Dollar sign.
Dollar.
Okay, then check yes in the right hand side. Check in the space right hand side capital yes. Yes is there in the first line? S
Yes,
is there?
ma'am.
Yes. What is there in front of S?
Non-terminal S
Then
dash.
what should be added here? First of S dash,
First of S dash.
excluding epsilon.
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 Ma'am.
What is then first of S dash? Is it required to write that steps? Directly can write it.
E.
Okay. Yeah, what is that? Can I take E
Yes, ma'am.
because of epsilon? I have epsilon production. I have to epsilon production first
Follow.
of yes. Follow of.
Follow.
Yes.
Go back to this.
Yes.
Follow of. Yes. I am
Yes,
doing
ma'am.
follow of yes, right? I am
Yes.
doing only follow of yes and no need to check for the follow of yes. Okay. Let me go for here. Yes is there. S is there in this place?
No, ma'am.
No. Here S is there.
No, ma'am.
Here S is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is there in front of S?
Epsilon.
Then what to do?
Fall of S dash should
Did you
write.
compute follow of S dash?
No, ma'am.
Now after computing follow of S dash, that should be added to follow of yes. Correct. Whatever get the value, I have to add it to here also. What is follow of S dash now? What is there follow of S dash?
Epsilon. Ma'am.
Epsilon. If it is epsilon, what should be do?
Fall of S should write.
Then I have to copy these two things here. Okay. Follow of S dash of epsilon. Because of that, again I go back to write the follow of S. The follow of S is dollar and E. Okay, now. Then is there any other production S dash or only one line, right? Can I end now? S dash is end now.
Yes, ma'am.
If it is S dash is end, the same thing I copied on to previous steps. Dollar and E already there. Any new set should be added to this? No.
No,
Follow
ma'am.
of S dash is
No.
dollar and E. Follow of S is also dollar and E. I already copied these things to this, these things to this. Both sets are same. Clear? What is follow of E?
T.
Very good. Follow of E is what? You have to check here. What is there here? Small t. There is no doubt. Directly you can write T. Anything is left out in this? It's all are done. Can I go next problem? Shall I move on to the next one? Light up part is over.
Yes, ma'am.
Do it quickly. Follow sets. You already know first set. Do it quickly for the follow sets. I will check the chat box. Follow set answer. Simple problem. Follow set of yes, follow set of A, follow set of B. Rashmi Gupta, 123.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me what is the follow set of yes?
Ma'am, dollar.
Dollar or only one? It should be added anything. You search for the right hand side now.
Next.
S is there? Yes.
No, ma'am.
Can I end here? Follow set of A, capital A.
Ma'am, A.
Small a,
Yes, ma'am.
only one a.
B.
Follow set of this is a, follow set of a is b. I have to add both the things.
Yes,
Right.
ma'am.
Can I end now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What
Ma'am,
is
how,
follow?
ma'am?
See, I have to check follow set of a, right? In the first production, I have a. What is
Yes,
there
ma'am.
in front of a? You have to check all the non-terminal of a. Don't take only one time. I have a two times a is there. What is the follow of a?
Small
Small
a.
a. But again, one more a I got it. What is the next in front of that?
Small a.
B. Clear? Okay. What is
Yes.
follow set of B, Rashmi?
Ma'am, B and A.
B and A. See, still have anybody have a doubt? This is very, very simple problem. Any doubt? Okay, I move on to the next one. This is also you done in your ninth problem. After removing left recursion, left factoring, I am writing the resultant grammar. See, I am writing the resultant grammar. You check in your classwork, ninth problem. E derives E star T R T, T derives ID plus T or ID. For that problem, I am doing, not your regular problem. Number is same, Likit.
Yes, ma'am.
Because if you manage that number, it is very easy to me also. I will
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
you, go to that problem. See, if you jumble it, you can't able to, because I will create one assignment. There you have to write in a one by one all the steps, single problem. I will tell you all the things, don't worry. Okay, this is your first test, first set is created. Now I want to need follow set. I want to get answer from Ramya BS. How many of the chat box? Still nobody will send the chat box for the previous problem. Okay, I am waiting for this problem. After that you correct it. What you written is correct, right or wrong. I will ask now Ramya. Ramya,
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell me now? I will remove star from Rashmi Gupta. She answered no. Okay, what Ramya, can you tell me what is the first line?
Follow of E, ma'am.
Follow of E. What is follow of E?
Dollar.
Dollar. Then search any E is there in the right hand side.
No,
E
ma'am.
is E, 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 E. Do you got any E here?
No, ma'am.
Can I end now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is follow set of E dash?
We have epsilon, ma'am. So we have to take first of E.
Okay.
First of E is ID.
First of E. Oh, just you observe the first line you have follow of E dash what? You have epsilon, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What is epsilon? Then what to do? Go to follow of
Follow
head of the production. What is the head of the production?
E.
E. Then what to write for that?
Dollar.
Dollar I have to copy. The first line is over. What about the second one? Is there epsilon?
No,
E
ma'am.
dash. After E dash you have epsilon, right? Here also one more E dash.
Yes, ma'am.
Then if it is epsilon, it will go to for head of the production of E dash.
But we are
But
doing
I'm
the follow of E dash
yeah,
itself.
for you are doing follow of E dash, nothing should be changed.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Then any other E dash, the remaining production.
No, ma'am.
Can I end my problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Let me go for the next one.
Follow of T.
Tell me what is follow of T now?
E dash is there, ma'am. E dash
Follow of
is
T is E dash is there. You had to add first of E dash here.
first of yes, ma'am.
Except
Epsilon.
I will write only star. I don't add epsilon. If you're
Yes, ma'am.
replacing epsilon with E dash, what happens? First of T you are doing.
Yes, ma'am.
E dash have star I copied. This E dash have epsilon. Then what is there in front of T?
Epsilon.
Nothing. Then you should be go follow of
Follow of T. Head of the production E.
what is the head of the production is E, right? E. What should be copied now? Head of the production of E. Follow of E is what?
Yes, ma'am.
Dollar, right? ರಮ್ಯ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Dollar.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ ಡಾಲರ್?
Yes, ma'am.
ಅದ್ರ ಮುಂದೆ ಇನ್ನೇನಾರ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಆಫ್ ಟಿ ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲಾರು ಇದೆಯಾ ನೋಡಿ. We'll have
In the
one more. Second
yes,
line I have. Then again E dash. E already copied E dash, right?
Yes,
Star.
ma'am.
Because of epsilon what? ಇದು ಎಪ್ಸಲಾನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಪ್ಸಲಾನ್ ಆದಾಗ ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್. ಇ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಏನಿದೆ? ಡಾಲರ್ ಇದೆ. ಡಾಲರ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Yes, ma'am.
ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಫಾಲೋ ಆಫ್ ಟಿ?
In the last production.
ಏನಿದೆ ಅದ್ರ ಮುಂದೆ? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್? ಎಪ್ಸಲಾನ್ ಇದೆ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು?
Again, we have to go back to head of the production. Follow of T dash.
ಮಾಡಿದೀವ ನಾವು?
No, ma'am.
ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇವಾಗ. ಫಾಲೋ ಆಫ್ ಟಿ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಆಡೆಡ್ ಟು ಫಾಲೋ ಆಫ್ ಟಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಆಫ್ ಟಿ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್? What is follow of T dash?
Epsilon is there, ma'am, in third production.
Okay, then we should be add because of that.
Follow of T we have to take.
What's the follow of T? Star already
and
ide, dollar ide. We already
dollar.
it should be copied as it is. Then any
Yes,
other extra? Only one follow of T dash. Nothing. Correct. Can I end follow of T dash now?
Yes, ma'am.
So both the things are already there here.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I end follow of T is also?
Yes, ma'am.
Now this is their answer. Follow of E, follow of E dash, follow of T, follow of T dash. Still anyone have a doubt? Please raise. Can please ask. I will explain. If you understand, I will move on to the next problem. Heli yargadru.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, after the in the follow T, after you took the first of E dash,
Okay.
after that, after epsilon part, can you explain that again?
Right.
Like star, and after we should not consider epsilon. After that, what should?
Yeah, I will do it. One second. Please look at now. See, we are doing follow of T, right? Who is that? Can you tell me your name? I will call you.
Niharika, ma'am.
Niharika. Just check it. We have to do follow of T, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me where follow of T is there. In the first production, follow of T is there. Yes or
E
no?
dash.
E
Yes.
dash is there. What should be right for that?
First of E dash.
Say as per the rule, it is a non-terminal. I have to write first of E
First
dash.
of E dash.
What is the first of E dash?
Star and epsilon. So
Star. But what is the rule says? First of
star.
E dash, but minus epsilon. That is, you have to
Yes, ma'am.
subtract your epsilon. Because of that, I removed epsilon. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
If epsilon is there, if your rule says, if your E dash have epsilon, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
One is star. In front of T, I got star because I wrote out the star. Again, E dash have epsilon. Epsilon, it is there. I get epsilon is for empty, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Nothing should be there. Then what to do? Follow of T. I have epsilon, but I can't able to
Okay.
take epsilon to production. What to do? In that, you have to go head of the production of follow set.
Oh.
In that condition, you have to visit follow of
Of
E.
E.
What
Okay.
follow of E?
Follow of E is dollar.
Already did. Follow of E
Yes,
is
ma'am.
dollar.
Dollar.
Just copy don't into that one. See, assume
Yes.
now one more condition, Niharika. What is the follow of T dash now?
Epsilon.
Epsilon. Then what to do now?
Go to follow of T. Head
Go
of the.
to follow of head of the production of T. You got it now? Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, thank you. Shall I go for the next problem? Shall I move? Okay, the next one. I will check in the chat box for this answer. All are capital C. I want to get answer from Ramakrishna. Is there? Ramakrishna, 121. 121 double star ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಇವಾಗ. Okay, Rakshita, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
ಇದೀರಾ?
Ma'am.
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಯು.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀರಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್?
Ma'am, ಹೇಳ ma'am.
ಹೇಳು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಬರ್ದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ರೀ, 1 ನಿಮಿಷ. You go to that problem. Do you have in your text class work?
Yes,
Same
ma'am.
problem. Same problem you have written.
Yes, ma'am.
What is first of S you written?
1 comma epsilon.
A ಏನಿದೆ?
First of A 1 comma 0.
B
0.
C
1, ma'am.
okay. Next go for follow set, Rakshita.
Ma'am,
follow
S
set.
is dollar symbol.
Okay. Okay.
That's
Anywhere.
all, ma'am.
Sorry, ಯಾಕೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬೇಡವಾ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫುಲ್?
No, ma'am.
Check in the right side. Any line, any of the production, you will getting yes or not.
Ma'am, in the third, B gives 0 S.
B derives 0 yes. What is there in front?
Epsilon, ma'am.
ಆಗೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾನು?
Follow of B.
ಫಾಲೋ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನ ನಾನು?
No,
ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಫಾಲೋ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಆಡ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ. ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ನೌ. What is follow of B?
Follow of B is follow of S.
Follow of B is very good. Follow of yes. ಏನಿದೆ? ಡಾಲರ್ ಇದೆ, ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. Follow of B ಬರಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ನೇನಾರು ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ma'am.
ಇಲ್ಲ. Then only yes. Follow of S is also dollar. Follow of B is also what? Dollar. Can I end here? Follow of B is what? Follow of yes. I got only dollar. Then follow of B is also what now?
Just
Dollar only.
dollar.
I can end here. Okay. Any doubt? Okay.
No.
Okay. Next ಹೋಗಮ್ಮ. What is follow of A?
Follow of A is first of B, ma'am.
What is first of B?
First of B is 0.
Okay. Next.
And then follow of
C. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ C.
follow of C.
Follow of C ಏನಿದೆ?
Follow of C.
First of C. Sorry, first of C.
First
Follow
of
of
C
A
is 1.
is follow of C ಇದೆ. If C ಇದೆ, then you have to visit first of C. What is first of C?
Okay.
1. ಅರ್ಥ ಇದೆ? ಸಾರಿ, ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. That is 1. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಮುಗಿತಾ?
ma'am.
Follow of C. What is follow of C?
Follow of C is follow of A, ma'am.
Okay.
0, 1.
ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ? ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಫಾಲೋ ಆಫ್ ಏನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Then it should be 0, 1. Okay, check it. What I am writing is correct or not? Correcta? ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ? $1.
ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
94. Okay. 193.
ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್
ಮಾಡ್ಲೇಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. 96. ಓಕೆ. 75. ಯಾರದು 75? ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ 75? ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಫ್ರೀಯಾಗಿ ಬರೀರಿ. ಖಾಲಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಮನೆಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಬುಕ್ಕು. ಮಹಾವೀರ್
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ವಿತ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳು ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಕೊಡು, ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬುಕ್. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಏನ್ ನಿಖಿತ್ ನಿಂಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆ? ಸ್ಟಾರು, ಡಾಲರು, ಫಾಲೋ ಆಫ್ ಸಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಶಾಲ್ ಐ ಗೋ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್? ಎಸ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ದೋಸ್ ವರ್ ಡನ್, ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸೆಂಡ್ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಟು ಮೀ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಪುಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್. ನಿಮ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಕಾಪಿ, ದೋಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟ್ರೈ. Individual chat to me only. The same problem I did first and first. Yes, I did first, right? Raj Kamal is there? Raj Kamal 118 3 star agate. Raj Kamal, who is the proctor for Raj Kamal? I have to search for that proctor next level. See, now you getting 3 star for the Raj Kamal. Okay, Sai Vamshi is there?
Yes ma'am.
Ready?
Yes
First
ma'am.
time answer ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಟೈಮ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು.
Ma'am
ಓಕೆ,
ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಾ? ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ.
ಅವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಆಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಅದೇ ಆಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದಾಗ ನಾನು ಕರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೌಂಡ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ಇದು. ಓಕೆ, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಪ್ಪ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೀಲ್ಲ?
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೀರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ನಿನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ಯಾ?
ತಡ್ರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಅದು ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ನೋಡು ತೆಗೆದು ನೋಡ್ಕೋ, ಬರ್ದಿದ್ಯಾ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈಗ ಬೇಗ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರೇ ಆಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟು ಕಾಪಿ ದ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್.
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇದೆ.
It will help you for you only. ಇದೆಯಾ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್?
ಹಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಓಕೆ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಸೂಪರ್. ಇವಾಗ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಫಾಲೋ ಸೆಟ್ಗೆ.
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
What is follow set of S?
Follow set of S is dollar ma'am.
Okay.
After that we don't have any S on the right hand side of the production, so only dollar.
Let. Okay, next is B, capital B. Vamshi,
Capital B we have a non-terminal D in the first production ma'am, so we must include the first of D, that is G and F. We must not take epsilon ma'am.
G and F. Epsilon is not take. If you replacing G with epsilon, what happens? What is the next symbol?
H ma'am.
Very good. Shall I include H here?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Is there any other B right hand side?
No ma'am.
No. Shall I end B also? Follow set?
Yes ma'am. We can end B ma'am.
Let you go for the next one.
Yes ma'am. C. We must include the, as we have epsilon in the second production, we must include follow of B ma'am. That is G, F and G. H.
The epsilon follow of B I have to include. Correct?
Yes ma'am. G, F and H.
H. What about next?
Next we have again A. Yes ma'am. C.
But we are
and,
doing the same thing. Not required.
Yes ma'am.
Next, follow of D.
Follow of D we have H ma'am. That's it.
Follow of D I have H. Okay, accepted. Next,
follow of E is F non-terminal, so we must include the first of F. F
epsilon bitre.
Again we must include the follow of D, that is H.
It is epsilon. It should be get follow of D. Follow of D is what?
H.
Okay, na? That only
yes,
one. What is follow of F?
Follow of F ma'am. We have we must include the follow of D ma'am, that is H.
H. Okay, very good. Super.
Okay, thank you.
How many of did? Shall I go next one? Wait a minute, just 1 minute. I will check how many of it did. Previous one.
Ma'am, I
Okay.
sent for you.
ಅದು ಬಂತು, ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕಳ್ಸಿದ್ಯಾ? ನಾನು ಹೊಸ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ಸಿ ಅದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೋ ಬಡಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸೆಂಡ್. ನೀವು ಸೆಂಡ್ ಇದೆ ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಯಾರು ಬಂದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಓಕೆ, ವೇರ್ ಟು ಚೆಕ್.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಈ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಹೋಗಿ, ಟೀಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾ, ಚಾಟ್ಸ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಹಿಯರ್.
ಬಂದೆ, ಅದು ಹಳೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ನನಗೆ.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚಾಟ್ ಅಂತ 13 ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್.
ಲೆಫ್ಟ್
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬಾರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಸೈಡ್ ಬಾರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಈ ಕಡೆ.
ಓಕೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಳ್ಸಿದ್ದೀರಾ. See, I will get next problem later. I will check it that one. Like, why you are wasting my time? Okay, I will come back to this. Next, take down. ಎಷ್ಟನೇದು? 12. Capital A. ಮಾಡಿ ಬೇಗ. 12 you have to do. 13 I will do it. 14th problem you do it. As per I gave this question is also last class as a homework. 15th you have to do it. This is also your homework questions. 16th you have to do it. See, ಮಾಡಿ individual chat box ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳಿಸಿ. Because I want to go the last problem. I will solve. Sixty-one attendance. 61. 62.
Present ma'am. 61.
Present
61
ma'am.
ಇದೀರಾ? 62. Okay.
Present,
63. 63 Intas. I will put an absent Intas. You have not answered anywhere. If you are there in that attendance list also, I have not taken. 64.
Present, ma'am.
65. 65. He is also a regular person. 66.
Present, ma'am.
67.
Present, ma'am.
68. 68. 69. Kumar. 70. Rajshekhar. 72.
Present, ma'am.
72.
Yes, ma'am.
73.
Present ma'am.
74.
Present, ma'am.
75.
Yes, ma'am.
76.
Present, ma'am.
77,
Present, ma'am.
78, Manjit. 79, Mayur. 80,
Present, ma'am.
81,
Present, ma'am.
82,
Present, ma'am.
83,
Present, ma'am.
84,
Present, ma'am.
85.
Present, ma'am.
What's the problem? Why you are absenting continuous 4 classes? Mohit Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
No, I was not well, ma'am. But I don't think I missed 4 classes, ma'am.
Yeah, you have 4 classes. Fourth, I took 2 hours. That's why you are confusing. Fourth date,
Okay,
I took
maybe,
2
ma'am.
hours. Fifth and done. Yesterday class. Okay.
I was not well, ma'am, for a few days.
Oh, okay. You just go back to previous and you have to learn the concept. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
86. 86, Lokesh Naidu. 87, Manish. 88,
Present, ma'am.
89,
Present, ma'am.
90,
Present, ma'am.
91,
Present, ma'am.
93, Narendra. 94,
Present, ma'am.
95,
Present, ma'am.
96,
Present, ma'am.
97,
Present, ma'am.
98,
Yes,
Nikhil.
ma'am.
99,
Present, ma'am.
100,
Present, ma'am.
101, Nitin. 2,
Present, ma'am.
Nivedita. 104,
Present, ma'am.
105, Pashupati. 106,
Present, ma'am.
107,
Present, ma'am.
108, 108, Pohe. Okay, anybody check? And 68. Kruti, why you are not answered? I put absent. You are not regular to the class. What the messages I got? Which question I gave? Yes, bar. Okay, who is that number? 114. 114 ಯಾರು? ಪ್ರತೀಕ್ಷಾ. ಪ್ರತೀಕ್ಷಾ. ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆ 96 ಯಾರು? Niharika R.
Yes, ma'am.
Check follow of yes. First of A. Follow of A.
Follow of A. Okay, ma'am. Sorted out.
एकं सीन
Likit. See, why confused, sir?
ma'am.
All of you follow of A. All of A is wrong. 12th problem. Remaining okay. Next 194. Uh, 194 answer is correct. 194 ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಈಗೆಲ್ಲ ಎಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ರ. 94 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಆಫ್ ಎ
ಫಾಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡು ಒಂಚೂರು. 74 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. 74 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ. ಏನ್ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡು. ಫಾಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಏನಿದೆ? ಫಾಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ಇದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ಇದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ಏನಿದೆ?
ಎ ಕಾಮ ಎಪ್ಸಿಲಾನ್.
ಎಪ್ಸಲಾಂಗ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಎಲ್ಗೋಬೇಕು ನೀನು?
ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಸಿ ಏನಿದೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಸಿ ಇದು ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿ ಅದು ನಾನ್ ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್.
ಓಕೆ
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಮಾಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಪಕ್ಕ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? 109 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಓಕೆ.
99 ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕಳಿಸಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವು. ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ 12 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್? 12th ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ, 12th ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ. 104. Okay. Let me go for the next. We have 10 more minutes. I have to complete that problem. Okay. It's 402 Anil Kumar. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಜನನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು? ಅನಿಲ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಆಫ್ ಇಯರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. Okay, who is this? 193 is correct. 62 is also correct. 75 you do not attach anything. 75
resend. I will resend ma'am. ಏನು error ಬಂತು.
ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ. 67. Who is 67?
Ma'am, it was a previous problem, ma'am. Last class problem.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣೋ, ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹಾಕಿದ್ಯಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
6ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಹಳೇದಲ್ವಾ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ? Okay. I got only one new messages. 405. Okay, 405 is also correct. Okay, let me go for problem. Okay. See, is it required for the 12th problem explanation? See, first of A. See, I am doing follow of A. You have first of B. What is the first of B? A you copied. Because of epsilon, You have to visit again C. The C is a non-terminal. Then if you go C, you will get B. You copy B. Because of your epsilon, then you have what to do? Follow of yes. What is the follow of yes? Ash. This line is missing. Okay, according to that, you have to do it. Let us go for the next one. 13 problem. I gave an assignment for the 13 problem and Saturday class. Capital S there is capital A C B or C B capital B and B A. I got message in the class that day class only the 3 answer and the 3 answer are correct. And I told to do it in your classwork. See what is the first of yes? What is in first of yes? How to find out first of yes? First of S is capital A. Pratiksha. Pratiksha.
D.
Pratiksha, helama. Steps helama. See, if you have a 3 more alternatives, no, you can write like this. First of capital A, C, B, union. If you have confused, you can write. You can also do it like this. First of capital C, B, union of first of B, A. Okay. Okay. Pratiksha, next step. What is in first of ACB? Then you have to find out what is in first of A, right? What is the first of A? D, comma. What is there here? First of B. See, all of you observe. I had to do all the first one, second one, third production. You take first of A. First of A is D and capital D. Capital D I am copying for the capital B. Capital B you have to visit G. You read G. Because of epsilon, if you replacing this B with epsilon, what you get is capital C. If you go for
epsilon H.
capital C, where it is go H, H is also epsilon, and what is there in that? Epsilon for that. A is also derive epsilon. Then if you have epsilon, what should be visit now? Capital C. What is the capital C? H. I already write H. Then epsilon. If you have repeated epsilon, you have to visit B. What is B? B has G, have epsilon, then you should be add epsilon production is also for this one. So look into this, how it is go forward, the last rule. Y1 has epsilon, Y2, Y2 is epsilon, Y3, Y3 is also epsilon, add that production to follow yes. Okay, union, what is first of C? H and Pratiksha idira?
Yeah, ma'am.
Correct, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, what is the overall answer first of yes?
D.
To take union only one time. A.
D.
Charge
A, B.
I will tell you all. I'll have to take down A, B, capital D. So sorry, small d, small g, small h, and epsilon. You have to write here. D. 1 minute. It will charge the pen. D, comma, G, comma, H, comma, epsilon. See, only for the first step you have to write. The remaining thing you already done. What is capital A? First of A? What is in first of A? First of A. Anybody did this problem? I gave this problem for all the class as an assignment. first of A? What is first of A?
DGC.
DG.
C.
C na H?
DGH and epsilon.
C ನಾನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ DGH
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
DG ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಸಿ ಕಣಪ್ಪ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಸಿನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
ತಪ್ಪು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ತಪ್ಪು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ತಪ್ಪಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಈಸ್ DGH epsilon. What is first of B? First of B.
G and
What is first of C?
H and epsilon.
Okay, can you do follow set now? Quickly. Follow set of this. I will write the answer for the follow set. You can check it out. I will end with attendance. Okay, 109 Pooja. Pooja Mahesh. 110 Purvik.
Present, ma'am.
Prajwal. Prajwal R. Prakar. Prakar Agarwal. Pratik.
Present, ma'am.
Pratiksha. 114.
Yes, ma'am.
115.
Present, ma'am.
116.
Present, ma'am.
117.
Present, ma'am.
118. 118. 119. Rajat.
119 present, ma'am.
110. 120.
Present, ma'am.
121 ಇದ್ರಿ. 122 ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ. 123 ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ. 192.
Present, ma'am.
193.
Present,
193 star. 194. Okay, she told it. 195. 195 Said. 196.
Present, ma'am.
Mohan Reddy. Mohan Reddy. Akshay.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Anil Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
Anil. Arshak.
Yes, ma'am.
Arshak Reddy. Okay. Chaitra.
Present,
Chitra.
ma'am.
Harshini.
Present, ma'am.
Ullas.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. I will write the answer. You can check it out. Follow set of yes. Those who are not done, you can check. First of yes is, sorry, A, B, D, G, H, epsilon. First of B, first of A, D, G, H, epsilon. First of B, G and epsilon. First of C, H and epsilon. Okay. Then I will write the follow set. Anybody did follow set? Anyone can answer. What is the follow set of yes? Follow set of A. Any answer? Follow set of A?
H, G and dollar, ma'am.
Very good. What is the follow set of B?
Dollar, A, H and G.
Correct. What is the follow set of C?
G, dollar, B and H.
Okay. 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 This is I done I think 16 to 17 problem on first and follow set. You have to maintain the same order for the problem. Tomorrow class we are going to do for the next step. Still problem is not end. We have to construct predictive parsing table, then I can say the grammar is LL1 or not. Okay. For that, I have to continue the tomorrow 8 o'clock class. Tomorrow 2 hours, don't miss. I will plan to take 2 hours continuously. Because if you take continuously, you will get some, because I want to complete that, it will require 1 hour for the one problem. Then the same way, if you plan to take, it will help for to do the problems also. 8 to 9, 9 to 10, I will take the class tomorrow. Okay. Thank you.